Nuclear Throne is a roguelike released by indie darling company Vlambeer. It got an expansion Halloween of 2019, but today, instead of reaching the throne like the game fucking wants you to do, Beetley and Froob will be searching for the elusive parrot. You think there's like swamp transformation porn out there?
Why the fuck do you speak?
That's an excellent question.
Get it? Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is me when I reach the nuclear throne.
Is he about to leave? Oh, yo, he's
Bye
leaving.
bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
He's going.
Come here. Come here.
If we bring
Come
him-
here.
Come on.
Come on. Come
Yeah,
on.
yeah.
You dumb mother. Ah! Ow. Oh shit!
I'm bored.
Bored.
Send me videos.
Videos.
I'ma do you up in the bed, a monster.
Ah! Fucking love that video.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
220 100, yeah.
Go Power Ranger!
Two things. You can have it. You know what? No, you can have it.
Oh my melting don't die challenge.
I'm dead.
We're dead.
Alright, let's go.
I'd love to like stock up like a ton of bones so like once we reach the Yep.
Watch this. My friends. They're here.
Elbow Chacho. Chacho, $5. Limited collectible.
Limited collectible. Dude, there was this guy, we kept spamming in this server, it was like, for a limited collectible, I think fucked her everywhere.
Go further. Oh, hi there. Ah, oh shit. What the fuck? Oh shit. Oh fuck.
What the fuck happened?
Cool guy.
Cool guy.
Elmo, shot.
Oh shit.
A boss is coming. Big shots.
God. Thank God I grabbed this then, didn't I? Oh god, I'm dead.
Oh, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Oh god.
I'm coming. Don't worry, Mrs. Obama, I got you.
Ah.
Don't worry, Mrs. Obama, I got you, guys. Oh, that's a lot of skeletons. That's a lot of scorpions.
Scolopians.
Oh shit!
I'm dead.
Damn it.
That's a lot of scolopians.
That's a lot of spungorbs.
Got everything went in there. I'm fine. Oh, what the fuck is that thing?
What?
Look next to us.
Oh my, what? What is that?
I mean, I see the bone.
Bro, I got...
Here's the iframe.
I swear to God, one day.
Oh, HP.
Wee!
Why
Civilization.
the fuck is my hood up?
Because it's cold out. Oh God, the crystal heart. The fucking... Ah! Pick two...
Second. Oh, no. Oh, we need both of these right now.
Son of a bitch. No. Oh, we're getting a crown.
No, we're not. We're getting Bearhead.
A nuke launcher.
Oh, motherfucker.
Fucking die. Palace dogs are so.
Minigun, Gatling bazooka, heavy revolver. Is heavy revolver good?
Yes.
Bouncer shotgun.
Incredible, thank you. You know, this really reminds me of when Loud House. This reminds me of when in Loud House, Jeffree Star, he went to the Loud House and it said, "Gosh, Abraham Loudhouse, I fucking hate you," and then just like killed them. And
this is exactly what happened. A reenactment of it right here, right now.
Yes. Oh fuck. That's concrete, baby! What if it was in fact not concrete, baby?
Super flat crossbow cannon.
What does that do? Show
I
it.
don't know,
Show us
but
for
we're
the.
about to find out, bro.
Okay. Oh my God!
Not enough bolts.
Fuck.
Fucking hell.
Tim's status as a mixed-race child is actually a clever reference to the Pokemon breeding mechanics.
What?
What?
Scared to look up Rebel. Scared to look up Rebel on Google Images.
Do it. What's the worst that could happen?
Porn right there.
1 month on PUBG, 2 weeks on PUBG.
What?
He regressed. He got healthier. Wait, did I just make an ad for PUBG? Fuck!
If I can prove that I never touched my balls, will you promise not to tell others? So what you saw.
God fucking. Nah, bro. Let's both go skeleton. What could go wrong? Everything. Literally everything. Skeleton fucking sucks.
Actually?
Yes.
Alright, let's go.
I'm gonna kill him, Joe.
I'm gonna kill him.
What?
Yeah, no.
No.
I'm coming for you. Bitch.
You. Oh shit. Oh fuck. I thought you were only a loop boss. Get in and run. You know, actually. Go. They're gone. It's gone. The portal's fucking gone. Hey, shit ass! Oh, shit! Go! Okay. Now then. Big fish. Kill it. Now we can go to the ocean. Here it is.
Parrot unlocked for reaching parrot.
Oh! Steven Seagal. Oh God.
As if it wasn't laggy already.
Very scary. Mario's Tunnel of Doom.
Hey, bitch ass.
Wait, actually, before we go in, let me feast.
Scrumptious.
But now we have the parrot unlocked.
What the fuck? What the hell's a bubble rifle?
Find out. Fuck around and find out. Oh shit.
Back up. Oh, that's what it does. Okay, no.
This fucking thing.
That's fucking cool. Not practical in gunfights, but cool nonetheless. Unless you can telefrag people.
Whoa.
Teleport to hell before you die.
You eat the teleport gun. You go to hell before you die. Dog, come over here. Flak flame shotgun cannon.
Yeah, let's try it. I mean, it says what it does on the tin. Am I interested in it though? Not really.
I fucking ate the lightning gun. God damn it.
Uh-oh.
A net launcher. Oh shit!
That's gonna be the best.
We have no strong spirit, and that scares me.
I have a strong spirit.
I don't know. Remember that episode of Amazing World of Gumball when Gumball was playing TF2? He's like, "Oh my fucking god, I hate you, Mom. Holy shit! Get the fuck out of my room. I'm doing a trade up. You stupid fucking bitch!" And then shot her directly in the skull like this. Go! Fuck it up. Fuck it up, Mr. President. Shit! That's a lot of stuff. I am going to die.
Wait, money? What?
Oh yeah! Oh yeah, Wifey's Mansion. That's a thing. Hyper Bubbler.
What is
Whoa!
this thing? Super bazooka.
That fires a lot of bazooka. Bubble minigun. Bubble minigun.
Golden laser pistol.
Oh. Oh boy. Oh!
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 God.
Shit!
Okay, let's go.
Now then.
Oh shit, we heal too. Wait. We don't have to fight it?
Wait, what? Oh! Oh, watch out. Watch out. Wait, are these explosives dangerous? Oh shit, they're not!
Hey, bitch ass.
Don't worry.
Nice car. Nice car, dumbass.
Nice whip! You'd be ashamed of someone. bro, the TMNT better have their house fucked up, man. What? Just fucking walk to the body. Just walk to the...
So cool. We have the fucking bird, but is he fun to play?
No.
Go, Charlotte. Or
Oh
not.
god, I didn't see him.
He was right in front of me. How did you not see him?
Look, Beetle.
This is agony.
Yeah.
You're
Let's
fucking-
stop. At least we have the fucking funny parrot.
At least we have the funny bird.
You may think the video is over.
But I'm not done yet!
When the bones hit. When the crack.
Oh god, why is everything fast?
You know.
I fucked with some shit, bro.
You severely fucked this shit.
How?
Literally, how?
How?
Free him, free him, free it, free him.
60 FPS does to a motherfucker.
Budget ultra kill, poor man's ultra kill. Oh god, oh my god. I'm fucking pissed.
Let's get their ass. Get their ass. Kill the child too. No one lives.
Kill the child too. No one lives. Get all the reds so you can update. So you can update to Windows 10. Gotta update to Windows 10. Ah! But I don't want you to live long enough to find out what you do. Oh, is that a flying crystal?
I'm dying.
I need a medic bag.
Yeah.
Poggies.
Beetle, can we take this? Look at all the grenades.
I mean, that is an incredible ethical thought experiment. Yes. Whatever you do. Oh God, son of a bitch! Oh. That slug came very close to my face. This is gonna be easier. This is gonna be easier than that time I died. That was very manga-esque, Peter. Here it comes. Here it comes.
Well, that was a load of shit.